With you I feel safe and secure. You really care for me.
So public awareness campaign, health and sanitation. Accessibility, kinds of toilet, private toilet, communal toilet, and no toilet. By the way, what is toilet? So a toilet is a plumbing fixture and disposal system primarily intended for the disposal of the bodily waste. Types of toilet. The private toilet. This toilet is commonly used by the member of the family only. And the background is example of private toilet is this picture. Communal toilet. The kind of toilet that is commonly used in the community. It can be found at the mall, market, hospitals, and etc. No toilet. This is the main problem in our community that most of the people don't have their own toilet. Especially the residents in our barangay Punta. That's why we made this project, because we want to inform our barangay officials in this kind of problem. Where water is an excavation structure created in the ground by digging, dredging, boring earth, drilling to access groundwater in underground water, dead well water and pipeline water, stored rainwater and no water. Paglingkod sa toilet.
Percentage of toilet usage in the city of Malingin. So it was found out that majority of the residents use their toilet improperly. That is no water and communal or no toilet. So 72% and only 28% knows how to use toilet. So most of us mugamit na jud og kanang, so 72% ang improper mugamit og kanang mga toilets ito nato, then ang 28% knows ra ang kabaw mugamit og kanang proper sa paggamit sa kanang kasilyas nato. Percentage of accessibility in City of Malingin. It was found out that majority of the residences have no toilet, which comprises 81%, and followed by those who have their own toilet. Private, so 40% and only 5% who use communal toilet. We recommend to the barangay officials that they will put a communal toilet to every sitio in our barangay. For the family that has no toilet, they can use the communal toilet in their sitio and they will not dispose their dirt anywhere, and for our surrounding to be clean. Kay ang uban man good, pataka lang kalibang. Ya, kasagara baya kay gamay ra ang may private diri nga kanang kasilyas din. Most of us kanang may private kasilyas na kinahanglan og tubig. So mao nang gi-recommend sa barangay officials nga magutang tag kanang communal toilet para sa uban bitaw nga kinahanglan mo-dispose ilang kuan ugaw para na po sila ka kuan man kay ang atuang kong problema diri sa barangay kay tubig ra jud. Mao na nag-recommend mi ani siya nga communal toilet.
With you I feel